The Senate tried but failed again on the push to make Roe v. Wade federal law. The legislation would have protected abortion access, but Republicans blocked it from a vote through a filibuster.
And all of this comes just a week after a leaked draft opinion showed the Supreme Court is poised to overturn Roe versus Wade. And since then, Democrats have been pushing to make it law. And now with that failed attempt in the Senate, voters are taking to the streets. Protesters outside of the Supreme Court, where tomorrow justices will meet for the first time in person since that draft opinion was leaked. And our Jacqueline Matter is there now with the very latest. Jacqueline.
Jim, Angie, that's right. Tomorrow is the first time the 9 will meet face-to-face, as far as we know, with no clerks, no staff, no cameras allowed inside. Now, obviously, we don't know what they'll speak about, but you do have to imagine they'll have to bring up this monumental draft leak. It's also worth noting that this is the first time that they'll be meeting behind this unscalable fence. The justices will gather for their private conference Thursday morning, where they will sit and have those conversations alone. This as protesters across the country and here in D.C. continue to put pressure on the judges.
If we don't get them, shut it down!
I believe that the right to life is the most fundamental, most basic right. Without life, there is no liberty. Without life, there is no freedom. And without life, there is no pursuit of happiness.
We need to get involved in a mass movement that will allow access to abortion on demand, because it is an essential part of healthcare.
Meanwhile, the faucet continues to leak within the Supreme Court with no sign it's changing course. Politico reporting that as of Tuesday night, there was no dissenting draft opinions that have made their way around, indicating that 5 justices still plan to overturn the 50-year precedent.
No matter what they do, they're going to catch 22. If they change their minds, then they're showing that they can be exposed to public pressure and that can work.
Attorney General Merrick Garland also directing the U.S. Marshals Service to provide additional support to the Supreme Court justices as protests pop up outside their homes.
Our bodies! Our bodies!
Virginia Governor Gwen Youngkin asking Fairfax County Police to create a security perimeter around the homes of justices in the Commonwealth. However, the Board of Supervisors says there are obvious First and Fourth Amendment concerns there, but they stand ready to take action if needed. Now, after tomorrow, the court plans to release a list of cases they will hear or not next Monday at 9:30. We could know also as early as tomorrow or Friday if the justices plan to make any announcements on opinions sometime next week. Back to you.